welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a contact on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Viber app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Viber app, you land on the chat space. From the chat space, in order to add a person or a contact on your Viber, you'll have to tap on the calls icon that is located on the bottom. Once you have tapped on the calls icon, on the top right hand side corner, you can see an add icon. Tap on the add icon. And from here, you'll have to enter the phone number of the person or the contact you want to add. You can also use a QR code in order to add the person into your Viber. In order to get the QR code, you'll have to have updated your Viber app into the latest version. For now, I will be adding a contact using the phone number. Once you have typed in the phone number, tap on the continue button. Once you have tapped on continue, here as you can see, you have successfully added the person in your Viber contact. If you already have the person saved on your phone contacts, then the contact name and information will be here as the name and the information that is on your phone. And just like that, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to add contact into your Viber. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.